Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. I just wanted to share a card that I made so you could see it before I send it off because I make them and forget to share. This is a very specific card that I'm making for a 20-year-old male who likes flamingos. So on the front it says, "Be yourself, happy B-Day," and it has this cut apart of a flamingo and then a flamingo backed paper. And on the inside I've stamped "Happy Birthday" and put a flamingo down here. The flamingo was from a recollection set that my friend Noni loaned me. I don't have flamingos, so she made this possible. And then she had this Authentique collection, which I probably would have purchased, but didn't for some reason, called Fabulous. And it has this paper in it. And it had this cut apart, "Be yourself." So many of us have paper pads, and if you're not going to use the whole thing at once, you'll notice what I did was I just took scissors and cut that out. So this page doesn't get lost, it doesn't get beat up, and it's there. And then I cut a strip off the bottom of the page. So I can even go in here and just put this right back in here where it was. I do that sometimes in my pads, and then it's all set for her. The cut apart, you'll notice it said "Be yourself," and I really liked it, but it didn't actually say "Happy Birthday," so I added a "Happy B-Day," just a cute little stamp. Look at that, 1994, oldie but goodie. And I used my VersaFine black. You could use any black ink that you have. And then this is the "Happy Birthday" that I used on the inside. It's 2001 Stampin' Up. And the pink that I used for the flamingo right here was an archival ink, just because that's what I have a pink ink in. Sometimes you just use the ink you have. This isn't the best ink for super crisp edges. It is the absolute best ink for art journaling and making sure that things are going to stay where you put them, even if you put layers over it. Then on the flamingo itself, I used a bit of Wink of Stella, and I came in with a white Uniball pen just to add some interest on the flamingo. So that is it. It didn't take me very long, and I kind of had an idea of what I was going to make. I hope that you are taking care of yourself and taking time for crafting and relaxing. I have to get back to it because I need to clean up my room. It is a hot mess. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.